everyone, welcome back to the channel. It's Gorilla here, and in today's video we are going to talk about KuCoin. We are going to break down why it's the ultimate hub for finding altcoin gems, how you can save big on trading fees, and how to use their free automated trading bots. So let's jump right in. Let's start with the absolute biggest reason traders flock to KuCoin: the massive selection of assets. Look, we all love Bitcoin and Ethereum, but if you're looking for those 10 times or 15 times or even 100 time multipliers, you have to look further down the market cap list. KuCoin currently supports hundreds of different cryptocurrencies and trading pairs. When a highly anticipated new project launches, KuCoin is notoriously one of the first major tier 1 exchanges to list it. If you are trying to get in early on Web3 gaming tokens, AI coins, or DeFi gas fees, or DeFi protocols, KuCoin is basically your hunting ground. You don't have to deal with the crazy high gas fees of decentralized exchanges. You can just buy them directly on a high liquidity centralized platform. Now let's talk about everyone's favorite topic: fees. KuCoin actually shines here. The trading spot trading fee is a flat 0.1% for both makers and takers. That is highly competitive right out the gate. But it gets better. KuCoin has its own native utility token called KCS. If you hold KCS and use it to pay your trading fees, you instantly get a 20% discount. Plus, and this is a massive bonus for passive income hunters, if you hold at least 6 KCS on the platform, you earn a daily dividend. Yes, you heard me right. KuCoin takes a portion of its daily trading fee revenue and distributes it right back to KCS holders. It's literally paying you to hold their token. Moving beyond just buying and holding, KuCoin is a playground for advanced traders. They offer up to 100% leverage on futures, margin trading, and a full suite of staking and lending products through KuCoin Earn. But the standout feature that really sets them apart for retail investors is their full-in free trading bots. If you don't want to stare at charts 24/7, KuCoin allows you to spin up a spot grid bot, a dollar cost averaging bot, or even an infinity grid bot with just a few clicks. You set the parameters and the bot automatically buys low and sells high within your price range, taking the emotion out of your trading. It's an incredible tool for capturing profits in a sideways or highly volatile market. So that is KuCoin. It's a solid exchange for finding new altcoins, utilizing trading bots, and saving on fees. You can find the sign up in the link in the description below, so don't forget to like and subscribe. Comment down below what you think about KuCoin, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.